techminepro.
So what's up guys, today we're back with another video. So today's video about this website called Adsatosh. So this is a BTC site, so you can earn Bitcoin via this website. So first of all, register this website, enter your username, email and BTC address from your Faucet Pay account, then enter your password and just create your account, then login. So I'm logging to my account. So I'm logged into my account. So here you can see I have almost 1 Satoshi in my balance. You can earn from surf, offer well and BTC multiply and lottery. So let's check surf. You can get 2 Satoshi for view this ad. Click here and just view the ad and just please go button and just wait for 10 seconds. Then go back and you can see it's claimed. You can see in the balance, so you can see the Satoshi is added in the balance. So today we are going to auto this website via Termux, so you don't have to claim it in the website, it will do automatic from Termux. So go to the Termux app. Here you need a script. Download the script file from description. You will find the script in video description. Check video description, you will find the script. Okay, so just select the script and extract to the folder. That's it. Now go back and where it is, this is our folder we just extracted here. So this is the folder. So then go back to the Termux and here you have to install some package and updates. Just click and copy those and install in your Termux. Okay, otherwise it will not work, so must be install those packages. After install those packages, just type Termux hyphen setup hyphen storage, enter, then press Y. Now go back to the ES file explorer and select the file and just go to the properties and copy full path. Then go back to the Termux and just type cd space, then paste the full path, then type ls, then type php bot.php, then enter. Now it will need the password. Just go to this link and get the password. So I'm just entering the password. So I'm just entered the password, so just wait. Now it will redirect here. Just subscribe the channel and also press all notification for more video next. So then subscribe also my second channel and press all notification for more video next. And also must join to the Telegram channel. Here we share all updates about the script and many more things which we don't share in YouTube. So must join in our Telegram channel to get those unique stuff. Okay, so here you can see you need the cookie. So go to the browser, Q browser. You need the Q browser. Go to the Q browser and just go to this option, developer tools, That's it. Now what you have to do, just click on the revert here, then go to the developer tools and then scroll up, and you will find the faucet section. Click on that and just copy the cookie. This is the cookie, just copy the cookie, then go back to the Termux and just paste the cookie. Then you need the user agent, then go back to the Q browser and just copy the user agent and paste in the Termux. That's it. You can see my balance is showing. It's mean my account is connected successfully. So there is 3 options. You can choose 2. So I'm just choosing the bypass method. Just click 2 and just enter. So you can see the bypass process on the process. So wait and see. So here you can see the balance is added in my account, 2 Satoshi and added to my balance. So let's check in the website. You can see my balance is increased. It means the script is working successfully. So you can see after 12 minutes later you can again claim automatic, so you don't have to go back to the website and claim it manually. It will do automatic here. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video, just give a like to this video and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. I will bring more video like this in the future, so must be subscribe the channel and also join my Telegram channel so you don't miss any updates about any airdrops. Here we share daily new airdrops, so must join our Telegram channel so that you don't miss. You can see we share payment proofs here many. Also join our Telegram group. If you have any problem to run the scripts, you can share your problem here, we will help you. So join our Telegram channel and also join this airdrop hunter channel for latest airdrop daily. Also subscribe the YouTube channel so you don't miss any interesting videos in the future. Just subscribe and do all notification, and also subscribe my main channel where we also share Telegram script and many airdrops. We share all legit and verified airdrops, so must say subscribe. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like the video to motivate me. And that's it. Goodbye.